The holiday season is here, and in today's video, I'll show you how to create a festive and fun Christmas story for Instagram using 4 of your favorite photos. It's a creative way to showcase your holiday memories and spread some holiday cheer. First, open the Instagram app and head over to our profile. Find the highlight labeled Christmas Moments and tap on it. Scroll through the options until you find a sticker that fits your holiday vibe. Once you've chosen the perfect sticker, tap Add Yours, and your Instagram camera will open. From here, you have 2 ways to create your story. Use the collage tool to capture 4 new photos. Whether it's your Christmas tree, holiday treats, cozy moments, or family fun. Or select 4 pictures from your gallery that truly capture the magic of your Christmas season. Arrange the photos in a way that brings your holiday story to life, showcasing the moments that make this season special. When everything looks just right, post it to your Instagram story and let the holiday spirit shine. You've created a beautiful Christmas story to share with your friends and family. If this tutorial brought a little holiday sparkle to your day, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more fun and creative tips. Wishing you a joyful and magical Christmas.